Bismillaahir Rahmaanir Raheem.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
إِذَا jaa-a nasrullahi walfath.
When the victory of Allah has come and the conquest,
وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي deenil afwajah.
and you see the people entering into the religion of Allah in multitudes.
فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهُ innahu kaana tawwaaba.
Then exalt him with praise of your Lord and ask forgiveness of him. Indeed, he is ever accepting of repentance.